drawing today in Adobe Illustrator, and we are going to be drawing what you see here, this 3D text. Wow. Blow that up so y'all can see it. This font is disgusting, so we're going to use something that looks a little cooler. All right, next step, and it's so simple. You go to FX, 3D and materials. You can either go to extrude and bevel, or you can go to extrude and bevel classic. Let's just do this one. Bop, already got our text. Wow. And you can change the color. I'm gonna use one of my swatch colors that I like. Let's go with this. Got us a nice text, and you can see like I can still edit it if I want to. Make it say Miles. All right, see, like no matter, it's still editable. So just go ahead and blow that up. Ooh, unknown error, I can't explain that. And then you can go in and mess with the settings a little bit more. See this circle here is where you can kind of control the rotation of it. So I can rotate it along the Z axis, I could rotate it along the X axis, or I could rotate it along the Y axis. And there you go. See what I mean by that? Like you can just rotate it. This is going along the Y axis, X axis, Z axis would be just regular rotation. So it's only one color right now. If you want it to be multiple colors, you can just go in and change the colors like this, highlight a letter and just change the color. And now you got different colors going on. And you can also make the back its own color. That back is the actually that's a stroke option. So if you just hit this button right there, here we go. And now they all got a black extrude instead of the color that it was originally. You can also like go into the depth and make it extrude even more, which looks, you know, ridiculous, but it might be what you're looking for. And then you can also change the perspective. This is just the same options I was changing right here, so I'm not gonna go over this again. But this here is the perspective, so you can have it like sort of just wonk out on you. And then like if you turn the depth up, it'll squeeze into a strange perspective. That's like a very narrow perspective and a very wide perspective. You notice that when you zoom in now on the 3D text, it's fuzzy. That's because 3D text is rasterized in Illustrator, which don't really matter because you can still make it whatever size you want. It's just that when you zoom in, it's gonna look fuzzy. Usually what I like to do with my 3D text just to make it look a little more flashy. Add one more layer up here. I'm gonna lock that so I won't have to bother that no more. And then I just draw, like I pick a direction where I want the light to bounce off of, and I just draw highlights on the edges. Then I blow that up like that, make that round, simplify it by doing Command period, pulling this down so that everything is just two points. And then I like to make that white. It's gonna look a little, give it like a shiny type of feel. And then we can just go in and adjust every point to a spot where we like it to be. If you mess with these handles, you can get stuff to bend a little bit freakier. Grab all of them like that. 10 seems fair. See, now it's got like a bubbly, like wet bubble type of feel. It's like a wet something, I don't know. And this is just add more to my style of work. So excuse me while I wrap this up. There we go. That looks pretty cool. Wow, 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 wow. Hit subscribe for more Adobe tips and make sure you check out my next video. Peace.